Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, comments, and connections, Facebook friends, LinkedIn connections. This is Jim Shastri from Hyderabad. This is about FNF Human Rights Hub status update. A for human rights professionals. The key takeaway: AI is not about replacing human rights experts. It's about making them more efficient. Lucas focused on building simple, powerful hub tools, the dashboard, like dashboards and custom search engines that make handling a huge collection of documents, hundreds of PDFs much faster. With while AI raises many issues related to privacy and bias, this approach to use AI to build simple databases avoids these shortfalls. It is clear the tools and the people are ready to decrease workload and increase efficiency. Find out more below. Lucas, she is a human rights expert, AI expert. If you told me a year ago that I would be running a video coding workshop at International Telecommunication Union HQ in Geneva, I would not have believed you. Yet here I am. Here I am still processing what just happened. This week, I had the pleasure of working with human rights professionals on AI, human collaboration. The focus building simple tools like that actually solve real problems, documents analysis, dashboards, search engines, filtering systems, things not that sound basic but transform how you work with hundreds of PDFs. It was great to see new solutions developed by OHCHR, Impact Voices, and Redox. Seeing what they are building reminds why this matters. We are not replacing human expertise, we are amplifying it. A few reflections from the session on web coding, from the even the most basic tools, a dashboard that lets you search across a collection of PDFs instead of controlling through each one, so solve real benefits bottlenecks. This is what we are right now, not AGI, not replacing human rights experts, just making the time consuming process later, faster. On privacy concerns, this comes up constantly and rightfully so, but the risk calculus changes dramatically depending on what you are working with. Public UN documents, illegal acts, case laws, case law, no privacy issue, confidential materials. You can still build a local application that never touch the internet. Sure, only you can use it, but it is still a massive boost and a hallucination, valid concern. But here is the thing: when you use an LLM to write code that runs locally on your machine, it behaves deterministically. It does not. It does exactly the code says. What the code says. It does exactly what the code says. Every single time, the uncertainty is in the code generation phase, not an execution. For tasks like segmenting documents by paragraph or filtering by keyword, this distinction matters. Thank you, Michaela Lizowski, Patrick Reland, FNF Human Rights Hub, and Domenico Gipoli for the invitation and for letting me share the responsible web coding approach with this incredible group. But this was my third workshop session this year, and each time whether it for lasted 1 hour or 2 full days, there was not enough time. There is always a group of people who immediately see how this could work in their daily practice. To me, this shows we are at a unique inflection point. The tools are ready, people are ready, and the only missing piece is awareness that is already possible. You can find handouts from the session in the comments below the post. Thank you so much.